So you have 2x, give that a little bit of room. X plus 1 times x plus 1 plus x over x plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay. Now if you look at what you have, if you have an x plus 1 and an x plus 1 here, and an x plus 1, x minus 1 here, if you notice here, you have an x plus 1 on this side and an x plus 1 on that side. So you're good there. This side, you have a second x plus 1, but you don't have a second x plus 1 over here. So what do? Yep, just multiply by x plus 1. But anything you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. Okay, so now we have our second x plus 1 and our second x plus 1 there. Here, we have an x minus 1. So we don't have an x minus 1 over here, so what do? Yep, multiply by x minus 1. Okay, but anything we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. Okay, oops, sorry about that. So if you notice, you have an x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. So it matches on both sides. Once you get both sides to match, now you can just do your adding. Okay, so you have 2x times x minus 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Doesn't matter what order those are in. Plus x times x plus 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay, so now we simplify our numerators. Because we know since our denominators match, it's going to be something over x minus 1, x plus 1. Oops, sorry about that. Times x plus 1. Okay, so you have 2x times x minus 1 plus x times x plus 1. Okay, so now we just go ahead and simplify by getting rid of all of our parentheses and excuse me, everything else. That went down the wrong pipe. So we have 2x squared, sorry about that, minus 2x, ooh, excuse me, plus x squared plus x, all over x minus 1, x plus 1, excuse me, times x plus 1. That's why I should bring water every day. Okay. Now we just go ahead and combine our like terms. Okay, so we can combine those two. And we can combine those two. Okay, so we have 2x squared plus x squared. It's 3x squared. Negative 2x plus x is minus x over x minus 1, x plus 1 times x plus 1. So, move that up some. Okay, so if you notice here, you can factor out an x. Okay, so we end up with x times 3x minus 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1, times x plus 1. Okay, so factoring out that x didn't give us anything that would cancel. So this is our final answer. Oops, there we go. Okay, so any questions on that one? All right. And that is it for today.